Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your GMC Acadia's rear windshield wiper. First, gather all your necessary tools, including the new wiper blade. Make sure you have the correct size for your vehicle. Find a well-lit and safe area to work, ensuring you have enough space around the rear of your Acadia. This preparation makes the process smooth and quick. Now, let's remove the old wiper blade. Gently lift the entire wiper arm away from the rear window until it locks into an upright position. Look closely at the connection point where the blade meets the arm. You'll usually find a small tab or clip. Press this tab and carefully slide the old blade straight off the arm. Be careful not to let the arm snap back. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook or pin on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade firmly into place until you hear or feel a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Once attached, gently lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window glass. Finally, let's test your new wiper. Turn on your vehicle and activate the rear wiper using some windshield washer fluid. Observe the blade's movement to ensure it wipes smoothly and without leaving any streaks. For optimal visibility and safety, it's a good practice to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months or as soon as you notice reduced performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.